Hey MotoStringer fans, this is Jay, your MotoStringer. In tonight's story, I'm going to tell you about a rescue attempt of a man that was trapped in an upside-down pickup truck in a raging river in Los Angeles. It was a wet, rainy, slippery night on the 110 Pasadena Freeway when this pickup truck went through a chain-link fence and ended up 50 feet below in the raging Arroyo Seco River. Firefighters from the LA City Fire Department responded to the scene and determined that the man was deceased in the truck. Then the rescue attempts started to bring that pickup truck out of the raging river up onto the dry freeway so that they could extricate the man from the wreckage. Now you're going to watch all of that action take place, including some pretty dramatic rappelling by the LA City Firefighters. And now we're looking at an LA City Fire Rescue helicopter shining its searchlight down into the river, looking for any additional victims that might be in the water that were not found during the initial search. Now one of the LA City firefighters is being hoisted down into the river to attach a chain to the overturned pickup truck so that the fire ladder can then haul that truck up out of the water onto the freeway. Pretty amazing how they're able to control the descent of the firefighter by manipulating the arm of the fire ladder, which was extended all the way out to its 100-foot limit, and they rotate it and move it up and down to get that firefighter to land exactly on top of that upside-down pickup truck. Now the firefighter is being raised from the pickup truck, and he'll be brought back up to the freeway before they begin to pull that pickup truck up and out of that water. Okay, so now we're going to see this truck being lifted out of the water all the way up over the river and onto the freeway with the help of this 100-foot fire extension ladder from the city of Los Angeles. It's pretty impressive to watch this operation in person with all of this water and danger that's involved. I can tell you that the man inside the truck did not come out during this operation. He remained inside the truck. Hey, hopefully you're enjoying watching this dramatic video. There's certainly a lot more to come. This would be a great time for you to subscribe to the MotoStringer channel and give this video a thumbs up like and hit the notification bell if you want to know when we're going to be putting up some more exciting videos just like this one. Hey, feel free to leave comments about this story, especially if you learned anything or want to know more information about how this happened, where it happened, when it happened, etc. I do reply to each and every comment, and I look forward to reading yours about this story.